Solar wind versus Mars. What if I told you that Mars wasn't destroyed by an asteroid, a supervolcano, or an alien catastrophe? Instead, an invisible force from the sun has been stealing an entire planet's atmosphere for billions of years. Right now, that same force is still attacking Mars. But how can something you can't even see transform an entire world? The answer begins with the solar wind. This is a continuous stream of electrically charged particles flowing outward from the sun. These particles travel at speeds between roughly 300 and 800 kilometers per second, reaching every planet in our solar system. Every planet is exposed to this powerful flow of particles. However, not every planet can defend itself. Earth is protected by a strong global magnetic field, generated by the movement of molten iron inside its core. This magnetic shield, called the magnetosphere, deflects most of the incoming solar wind before it can strip away our atmosphere. Mars was once very different. Geological evidence shows that billions of years ago, rivers flowed across its surface and lakes collected in basins. But Mars gradually lost its global magnetic field as its interior cooled and its internal dynamo shut down. Without that planetary shield, the upper atmosphere became exposed directly to the solar wind. When high-energy particles from the sun collide with gases, they transfer enough energy to send atoms and molecules into space. Scientists call this atmospheric escape. Billions of years are enough to remove a large fraction of a planet's atmosphere. NASA's MAVEN spacecraft has measured how the solar wind interacts with the Martian atmosphere since entering orbit in 2014. Its observations show that atmospheric loss increases during powerful solar storms, confirming that intense space weather accelerates the escape. Today, the atmosphere at the Martian surface is less than 1% of Earth's. Liquid water cannot exist on the surface for long. The battle between the solar wind and Mars reveals how magnetic fields help preserve atmospheres and why Earth's shield is so important for life. The red planet is still fighting an invisible battle against the sun, shaping an entire world for billions of years.